Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hulisani Phalanndwa. For those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel. As you saw by the thumbnail of the video, today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve those curls using flexi rods. Now before we go any further, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button so that each time I upload a video you don't get to miss them. Now guys, the hair that I'm using today, it comes from exclusive hair. It's Malaysian hair in 26-inch. So as I combed my hair to detangle it, I'm going to apply a baby oil, Johnson's baby oil. That's what I use, guys. Atongo chaya ngwana. So I prefer to moisturize my hair before I use flexi rods so that they can come out shining. As I'm massaging the baby oil into my hair, I am also making sure that I part my hair into two different sections so that it can become easier for me to work with. So guys, I'm actually going in with water, and it's just plain water. Flexi rods works better on damp hair, so it's important that you actually damp your hair so that they set perfectly. So guys, I got this flexi rods at a local beauty supplier, and each packet was trading for 40 rands. As you can see, I am using the back of a comb to part my hair, and furthermore I'm still straightening out my hair so that it becomes smooth and be free from anything that may distract the forming of a curl. So you want to curl your hair away from your face. And again, don't be afraid to fafanyana some water. Sprinkle some more water. We need water. As I've said before, flexi rods work best when they are wet. So don't be afraid. Water can never ruin hair. According to my knowledge, water doesn't really like ruin hair. Maybe it does, but mine doesn't get ruined from using hair. As I did with the first one, I will still follow the same method. Parting, combing out the hair, again spraying some more water so that the flexi rod get to set beautifully. Sometimes I forget the direction, or is a guy, is a guy. So and you saw me just looking and like indicate an bit. So basically guys, that's what you do. There's nothing really much except what I'm doing. You're just continuously doing it until mabdziano achiperera. Remember, when it comes to flexi rod guys, you choose how thick you want your curls to be, or how thin you want your curls to be. So the more you have a huge amount of hair in a section, the more your curls will be bigger and more bouncing. But if you have less hair, then your curls will be like spirals. They will be thin, so you can actually choose the amount of the size of the curls you want based on those tips I just gave you. So basically that's just what I continue with. Remember to always sprinkle some water, guys. It's important. It will help your curls to set even more beautifully. So now I'm actually done curling my hair using flexi rod, but that's not the end. I actually went in with the spray, the Fafadzela spray, Kamabudzianga. This will help the curls to set better, guys. After this, you can actually take it to a washing liner if you don't have a dryer, just like me. And there it is. It is dry now, ready to be uncoiled. Remember to do one at a time. You cannot do multiple at a time. Be gentle with them. And look at that, look at how beautiful and bouncy those curls are. You know, one wouldn't believe flexi rod. To me, they are beautiful. They look beautiful. And that's it, guys. I hope you learned how to curl your own hair using flexi rods. Remember to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and share. See you next time. Bye.